do it. People who, and while doing this, if you do practice this sadhana, you'll slowly move your body automatically. You will not move, very slow. Again, with my sadhana, there would be no kriyas. Because people जिसके पास कुंडलिनी साधना करते हैं, जिसकी क्रिया होते भी है, वो मेरे पास आके बंद हो जाते हैं, क्योंकि मैं सबकी सुषुम्ना बिल्कुल साफ करके छोड़ देता हूँ एक ही झटके में। तो सुषुम्ना में अभी क्रिया बाकी रहने का तो होता ही नहीं है, क्योंकि दीक्षा देने के लिए जो अलग प्रकार के हायर लेवल ऑफ दीक्षा होती है, उस दीक्षा से जो आदमी दीक्षा ले लेता है, यानी कि प्राणपाता, शक्तिपाता और शिवपाता के ज़रिए, उस आदमी को वो क्रिया बिल्कुल ख़त्म ही हो जाते हैं, क्योंकि इसमें गुरु की कुंडलिनी से आपकी कुंडलिनी जोड़ दिया जाएगा। तो बहुत सारे लोगों को ये डाउट आता है कि कुंडलिनी कैसे जुड़ जाती है, क्योंकि आपके हिसाब से, क्योंकि किताबी बातें, और क्योंकि कन्विक्शन नहीं, और क्योंकि डर, और क्योंकि मैं छोटा भगवान बड़ा, all these problems, you understand Kundalini only as the serpentine force that is coiled in your Muladhara. You exist. जब भी मैं कुंडलिनी की शब्द बोलूँगा, आप समझोगे आपके अंदर है सो 3-3.5 सर्किल में बैठे सो सांप। मैं सांप किधर है, शरीर काट के देखो तो नहीं मिलेगा, ठीक है जी, सूक्ष्म रूप में है, ठीक है। कुंडलिनी को आप उसी रूप में देखते हो। जब सही ज्ञान आपको हो जाता है, then you see the Kundalini as the ever existing or ever playing or ever omnipotent, omniscient, infinite conscious force. You have consciousness, I have consciousness. Every consciousness has flux, because all consciousness is the magnetic field. So I have the magnetic field, you have the magnetic field. Can't I induce through, when a high magnet is placed around a lower magnet, don't the lower magnet come under higher magnet? Yeah, it comes. Then in law of magnetism, if it can come, why is this magnetic influx cannot be shared? It can be shared, but you need to have that level of realization to share your magnetic flux. I think you understand my intention. Kundalini is not a constricted force. It is called the Chiti Shakti, Bhagavati, and it is not limited to your, stinking body. It is infinite. It not only stays in your body, it's freely existing, the omniscient, omnipotent force of the universe, out of which the universe exists in its own shape, color, form, and nature. It is the one that imparts the nature. It is the one that imparts size, shape, and dimensions, because out of the magnetic forces, the atomic forces are constricted and they form bonds, and because of the bond energy, they form the molecule and they get the shape. If at all the bond energy does not exist, there is no molecular formation. If at all there is no molecular formation, there is no any element formation. If there is no any metal or anything formation, if there is no formation, then there is no shape, no color, no existence. You understand? So to the eternal thing, it is the intra-atomic bond, the atomic bond that they have is called the Chiti Shakti. This is the play. If at all this bond does not exist, nothing exists. So this bond is not only within me, it's also there within you. As I earlier said, you might think you are from Haryana. You are actually an Indian. You don't accept it, still you are an Indian, according to government of India and according to people. Yes or no? Same fashion. You accept, you don't accept. You are the son of God. And you have the same magnetism. Spirituality is all about that magnetism. When my Guru Bhagwan, this in the next step we will use the sadhana of Kriya Yoga. when the great Guru Bhagwan Lahiri Mahasaya has come, he started teaching the great sadhana called Kriya Yoga by using the law of thermodynamics. He started rotating this prana shakti along the golden central spiral column of called Sushumna. Whenever this hot molten material rotates around a solid circular object, it starts inducing magnetic force to that. This prana shakti with our breath, when with the focus of the prana shakti goes into that, with the air it gets ignited, and with that focus the consciousness ever molten rotates around the central column. As this rotates around the central column, it starts a huge a twister within our system. As it rotates with a twister, the low pressure within the central part of the twister will have low pressure and start sucking from all directions. As it starts sucking, the central object gets magnetized with the atomic bond force. As this starts getting more and more, the magnetism is ignited. With the ignited magnetism, as this force, the twister starts ascending in a spiralic path which moves in circle, because as long as the material is moving in a circular pathway, then alone magnetism can be induced. But if I keep rotating only in circular path, then I stay where I am with the same magnetic field. So I rotate in a spiral so that there is a circle, but with every circle there is an ascent. So a huge scientific principle was used on this. Now, with the grace of my Guru, the greatest Guru, Bhagavan Sri Lahiri Mahasaya, we will start using this magnetic force along with the extra forces of the dimension, the fourth dimensional powers, along with the higher forces, the internal and external, we will join to form a synthesis of the golden central path, rotate the same using the higher forces, and as we ascend, we feel the existence of I am. The more we do this, the more magnetic we become into our system. The more magnetic we become, the more tejasvi we become. Am I clear with you with the understand? लग रहा है थोड़ा? इसीलिए मैं आपको ऐसा रोटेट करवाने की बोला था. पहले ये चैनल तो खुल जाए, फिर बाद में मैं आपको दूसरी भी बताऊं. तो पहले ये होना है ना बी आने के लिए, है ना? तो इसीलिए यहाँ पे भी हम हमारे पहले सिस्टम यूज़ करेंगे, लेकिन इसमें आप बीच में डिस्टर्ब ना हो और एंजॉय करते साधना करें.